Hi guys, Muaz here. Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. Today we have a mini auto car. So this is the front and this is the back. And this is a remote control car. And now let's see what's inside. Oh wow! Look, see. So comes with the Tesla, a black color. Okay, and it comes with these batteries and with the charger and a remote. In the Tesla future, look, doors can open. You can see doors. So we're gonna put the batteries in and drive. Okay, now we put the batteries in, okay? And this is a USB charger. You can charge the Tesla and the batteries. So this is the charger. And we're gonna plug it like this. Plugged it in. And the on and off button is here. And you put the batteries in here. And it's super duper smooth. Look how smooth. Now let's drive it. Okay. Now let's drive it. Now my baby brother is gonna drive it. Look. Drive it. Now my baby brother's gonna drive it. Go back. Oh! Stop. Do you like this bullet? Yes? Thank you for watching our video. Please like our video, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon. Bye!